Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever faced stubborn stains on your favorite clothes and felt like giving up, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the best spot cleaners for clothes that will save your wardrobe and keep you looking sharp. From red wine spills to greasy marks, these powerful cleaners tackle it all, leaving your garments looking brand new. Stick around as we dive into the top picks, tips, and tricks to keep your clothes spotless. So, grab a seat and let's get started. Check the link in the description below for exclusive deals. Number 5. Zero Odor Laundry Odor Eliminator is your ultimate solution for permanently eliminating stubborn laundry odors. Designed with patented molecular technology, this 16-ounce bottle works wonders on clothes, towels, linens, and even shoes and bags. Perfect for those who lead an active lifestyle, it's especially effective on athletic wear and gym clothes, as well as pet bedding and blankets that tend to trap unpleasant smells. Not only does Zero Odor remove odors, but it also cleans your washing machine, leaving it fresh and deodorized. Safe for all washing machines, traditional and heat, this powerful formula is compatible with any detergent and is gentle enough for human and pet bedding. Using Zero Odor is incredibly simple. Just add 2 ounces to your wash load at the same time and location as your detergent. You'll love the fresh scent and renewed feel of your laundry, making it a top choice for anyone searching for the best spot cleaner for clothes. With Zero Odor, say goodbye to unwanted smells and hello to fresh, clean laundry that smells great again. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA, ensuring you get a quality product you can trust. Number 4. Puracy Stain Remover for baby clothes and cloth diapers is your ultimate ally in the battle against stubborn stains and odors. Crafted with care, this enzyme-based laundry stain spray boasts an impressive 99.51% natural formula, ensuring a safe and effective solution for your little one's clothes. Whether it's fresh spills from berries, milk, or baby formula, or set-in stains from eggs, avocado, or even mud, this stain remover guarantees to remove it all, no matter how long it's been. Designed for versatility, Puracy works wonders on a variety of fabrics, including clothing, bibs, bedding, blankets, burp cloths, stuffed animals, swaddles, car seats, cloth diapers, and more. What sets it apart is its commitment to being free of harsh chemicals. Say goodbye to sulfates, gluten, allergens, chlorine bleach, petrochemicals, and artificial dyes. This product is as gentle as it is powerful. With Puracy Stain Remover, you can confidently tackle any mess your child creates, making it the best spot cleaner for clothes. So gear up, superheroes of the home, and keep your baby's wardrobe fresh and clean effortlessly. Number 3. Incredible! Stain Remover is your ultimate solution for tackling tough stains on clothes, carpets, mattresses, and upholstery. With its powerful formula, this stain remover effortlessly eliminates a variety of household stains, including pet accidents, red wine, coffee, and even cosmetics. What sets Incredible apart is its ease of use. Simply spot and blot the stain, and watch as it vanishes in seconds, no washing or rinsing required. Safe for the entire family, including pets, this non-toxic and non-irritating stain remover ensures that you can clean without worry. You'll love the incredible value it offers, one product that functions as both a stain remover and odor eliminator for various surfaces. It's trusted by American households to deliver quick and effective results, making it the best spot cleaner for clothes on the market. However, it's important to note that while Incredible works wonders on most stains, some, like permanent ink or cooking oils, may remain. Make sure to follow the instructions for optimal results. Experience the magic of a stain-free home with Incredible. Stain Remover, your go-to solution for all your cleaning needs. Number 2. Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent Soap. Original Scent is America's #1 detergent brand, renowned for its unbeatable cleaning power. This 84 fluid ounces bottle is designed to handle up to 64 loads, making it perfect for families and busy households. Tide doesn't just clean, it penetrates deep into fabrics to remove tough stains while infusing your laundry with the fresh, crisp scent you love. This detergent is specially formulated to whiten and brighten clothes, ensuring that your wardrobe looks vibrant and fresh after every wash. Using Tide is incredibly simple. Just measure the detergent with the cap, fill it just below bar 1 for medium loads, below bar 3 for large loads, best. With Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent, your laundry routine becomes effortless, leaving you more time to enjoy life's moments. If you're looking for the best spot cleaner for clothes, look no further than Tide. Its powerful formula is designed to tackle even the toughest stains, ensuring your clothes come out looking their best every time. Experience the trusted cleaning performance of Tide and transform your laundry day into a refreshing experience. Number 1. Grandma's Secret Spot Remover Laundry Spray is your go-to solution for tackling stubborn stains while being gentle on fabrics. This chlorine, bleach, and toxin-free formula is tough on all types of stains, from oil and paint to blood and pet stains, without damaging your clothes. Perfect for those aged stains or even the ones that went through the wash already, this spot remover is highly concentrated, ensuring each application packs a powerful punch. With a light, pleasant citrus fragrance, it's designed for hassle-free use. Just apply, agitate, and blot, and those stains are gone. Its stain-fighting capabilities cover nearly everything, from crayon and ketchup to grass and grease. Safe enough for baby clothes, it effectively removes diabetics and food spills, making it ideal for families. Free of bleach, chlorine, or phosphates, Grandma's Secret Spot Remover is perfect for maintaining your clothing's vibrant color while keeping them clean and fresh. It's not just a stain remover, it's a laundry essential for anyone seeking the best spot cleaner for clothes. In conclusion, finding the best spot cleaner for clothes can make all the difference in keeping your wardrobe fresh and stain-free. Whether you need a powerful formula for tough stains or a gentle option for delicate fabrics, there's a perfect cleaner for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite spot cleaner. Share this video with friends